Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Stacking Perpetrator here. Today's video, we're going to do some mail call from what's in the box. And I'm not going to go through the spill this time. Since we're doing just mail call, getting something from the US Mint, from their fulfillment center. And here again, it's only like the third or fourth thing I've gotten from the Mint over the past few years that has the, if the seal is broken, tape. So let's cut in and break the seal and see what we got. And I'm not going to fight with all that tape. I'm just going to break in through the side. And use my paperwork in there. I'll get that out later. And what do we have? All right, we have the United States 2022 silver proof set. This one contains the women's quarters. So let's open it up. I'll bring you back in another video. I do intend on cracking this out for my albums. I just have to make sure I have all my pages that I need. Come on. Come on. Just trying to be careful with the box, because even though I crack them out, I do save the box and the COA. And yes, these are going to be cracked out. I will bring you back in the video when I do that and show you cracking them out. I just have to, like I said, I have to make sure I got all my pages ready. And here's the COA. Yep, still got David J. Ryder coming out and everything. So set that there. Let's take a look at the standard stuff. These do look really good. They did not put the innovation dollars in this. It only has the Sacagawea. Pretty nice looking coin there. So very nice set. Very nice set. And let's take a look at the women quarters. Let's look at the Washington portrait side first. New design, he's facing the other way. Don't know if that's a good thing. I think they should have still had him facing the same way. But the Mint does what it does. Got your Maya Angelou, Sally Ride, Wilma Mankiller, Nina Atero Warren, and Anna Mae Wong. These are very nice coins. Yeah, there's a piece of lint on the cover. Like I said, I will bring you back in another video when I'm ready to, when I have all my ducks in a row, so to speak. I don't like to let the coins sit out. I like to crack them out and get them into the album as quickly as possible. Anyways, let me know what you think. Have you ordered one of these? One of these sets? What do you think of it? I know the Mint says raise the price on these. They are a very nice looking set. And, I guess we will, let me know your thoughts down below, and we will see you on another one.